Hello and welcome to Maths with Jacob. This lesson will focus on graphing straight lines. Given any linear equation involving x and y, we can represent it as a straight line on a number plane. So let's have a look at two examples to illustrate how this works. Graph each of the following lines on a number plane. So the first equation is y equals x plus 1. Now x is a variable and y is a variable. X represents the x-axis and y represents the y-axis. So what we need to do is find some points that satisfy this line. That is, an x value and a y value that satisfy this equation. So we draw up a table like this and we write down three x values. Just make them really simple, like 0, 1, 2. So they're the three numbers that I started with. And I didn't have any y values. So let's pretend that this is all vacant, but we have the numbers 0, 1 and 2 for each of the values for x. If x is 0, which is here, y equals 0 plus 1. Now we know that 0 plus 1 is 1. So there's your y value. When x is 1, y equals 1 plus 1, so y equals 2. There's your y value for the 2. And when x is 2, y equals 2 plus 1, which gives you 3, and there is the y value for 3. So we have 3 points, 0, 1, 1, 2, and 2, 3. So all we do now is we plot each of those points on this number plane. So there is 0, 1, this one is 1, 2, and this one is 2, 3. And all you do now is you join those points, and that gives us the line on the number plane. So this equation, y equals x plus 1, represents this line on the number plane. Second example, x plus y equals 4. Again, just choose some simple values for x, 0, 2 and 4. That's what I've chosen. If you like, you could have chosen 1, 2, 3 or 0, 1, 2. It doesn't matter. Just choose 3 simple points. When x is 0, we have 0 plus y equals 4. Therefore, y equals 4. When x is 2, we have 2 plus y equals 4, so y equals 2. And when x is 4, which is here, we have 4 plus y equals 4, so y must be 0. So we have the points 0, 4, 2, 2, and 4, 0. So we plot these points on the number plane. So here we have 0, 4, 2, 2, and 4, 0. So here are 3 points which lie on that line. So all you do is join them together. And that equation is the equation of this line on the number plane. So this has been a very straightforward video which has shown us that when you are given a simple equation and you want to plot the line on the number plane, all you do is draw a simple table, put some points on that table, then plot those points on the number plane and join them up. And that gives you your line. It's really that straightforward.